My name is Riccardo Luporini and I am a Postdoctoral Research Fellow in International Law at Scuola Superiore Sant'Anna. The Scuola Superiore Sant'Anna, in the context of the Master, will cover the international and European legal and institutional aspects of disaster risk management. So this will be our contribution in terms of content. But I would also like to highlight that the Scuola, and in particular the international law research area, is a quite experienced machine environment when it comes to organize courses, high-level training for professionals in the field of civil protection, as well as related fields such as conflict management or peacekeeping. And so I think that we can combine pretty well this academic aspect as well as the organizational logistics aspect, and provide the participants with a good course, with a good module in Pisa. They can expect, first of all, to spend some time in a very beautiful historic campus, that is the campus of the Scuola, in the very heart of Pisa, where we will have the more, let's say, academic and lecture-based component of the module. But then we will move also beyond the campus itself, and we will visit the Air Force military base in the military section of the Pisa airport. And then in particular we will have an exercise, so a role play, proper simulation, that will be held in the premises of the Red Cross in Pisa or in the premises of the local civil protection in Pisa. And this will be, I think, the highlight, the added value of the course, because the participants will really be engaging, will be simulating a proper deployment of a new civil protection team, of course in a context of emergency, and we will also have other actors playing other roles. So we hope that will be a very rewarding experience for the participants. Well, I think that this is quite an easy question, in the sense that the program is overall very exciting. First of all, because it's very international, so we have partner universities from different countries in Europe, but also the lecturers themselves will come from different countries, different institutions, also external to those partner university in the program. And then it's a very interdisciplinary program as well. We have the engineering, geography, geology component, business, economic, management component, the international legal institutional aspects component. So it's a very comprehensive program. And then in addition to this, the added value is also that we have a very strong relationship with the European Commission, and in particular with DG ECHO, that funded the EUMA project. And this is important for us. We see that there is an interest in what we're doing, in what we're building, and as I said, this is also an added value and very exciting part of the program. Our aim, objective of the EUMA project, and then when we built this master, was to train the disaster managers of the future. So it's a very ambitious, let's say, objective, but what we see actually is that this professional role will be more and more necessary for how things are unfolding and what we are witnessing at the international level. So we really hope that with this master program we can give a contribution, as I said, to train these disaster managers of the future, that we will play an increasing role as international and European civil servant, at the national level, at the local level, and even perhaps in the private sector more and more. So this is our aim and objective.